In this video, we'll cover a single leg RDL with opposite hand weight. So what Nick's done is set himself up with some balance support on his right hand. His right leg is going to be the working leg in this video, and his left hand has the weight. We're going to want to carry over all of our good single leg RDL mechanics that we may have learned in phase 1. So that's going to mean that our foot wants to act like a tripod, so we can keep our weight right in the middle of it. Nick's going to start tall, but he's going to think he's allowing a fold to happen as he lowers, and we're going to keep an active back leg. As Nick shows us a few reps here, what we're going to see is that Nick does not reach the weight out. He lets it fall straight down towards his foot, and it's more the act of his leg pushing into the floor that brings that weight straight back up. The arm is just an assist, the leg's doing the work. As we hinge back down, we'll also see Nick's done a great job at this active back leg position, and that's part of what's putting better tension into his hamstring and his glute on the working right leg. One thing we're also going to pay attention to as we continue to knock out a few reps is whether or not this outside hip wants to open up in a way to cheat the stretch of your glute and your hamstring, which Nick's showing us now. So instead, Nick's going to show us one final rep where he closes that hip, his shoulders, everything's facing the ground, keeping straight lines as he goes up and down. And that's a lot of what's going to then emphasize some of our side-to-side pelvic control that'll carry over to our single leg stance activities and really our single leg stance when we're running. Perform for the prescribed number of sets and reps.